Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Regions online banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the Regions Bank login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on the screen where you need to tap on that link and you will be redirected to the official login page of the Regions online banking, where you can see it is asking us for our username. So let me show you an example. So once you do that, simply tap on the continue, but before that you can see remember my username right above this continue option. So once you enable this one, what it basically means is your credentials or your username going to be saved in this browser successfully or in this device. So, and yeah, by chance if you have forgotten your username or your password, then simply tap on the forget username or passwords on in the screen, and you need to complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself, you'll be able to recover your username or you'll be able to reset your password successfully. Now let's tap on the continue, and it will ask you for your password now. So once you enter your password afterward, then simply tap on the continue again, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. But if you have written or input some kind of wrong username by mistaken, then just tap on the switch username, and yeah, you will be able to re-enter your username from here successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Regions online banking, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.